Hello, Damsel, what's up? Hello, what's up? She's there. Damsel, what's up now?
God have mercy upon us.
Hello, what's up now? You don't look happy. Happy?
Yeah.
Wait till they come. See, why you not happy? I'm here, you are not happy. I don't stay where there's no happiness. See, I want to make you my girlfriend. I will make you happy. I will spend money on you. Yes, now. See, I'm ready to spend on you. To spend cash. That car is my car.
Okay. The car is your car. Okay, you look so nice, Sha. Come on, let me have enough. Chop please. For waiting they go around this Nigeria, we still they listen to their Marley song. And you won't collect my number. Bro, you must be a killer. If you follow me. Jesus!
You never see anything. You never see anything. You just start.
Things say they why. Mumu man.